Today we are going to learn how to launch an EC2 instance from AWS console. When you log into the AWS console, you can see the home dashboard. So you can click on search bar, click on EC2. So you can see virtual servers in cloud. Click on the EC2. Here we can see the EC2 dashboard, where we can see on the left we can see the instances. You can click on it. You can see no instances over here. So click on launch instances. Here we go. Here we can give the name of the server. Let's make it as test server. Now we are going to launch Amazon Linux. Later we can see the Ubuntu as well, Windows as well. For now, let's launch an Amazon Linux machine. So here we can select the OS whichever we require. Based on our requirement, we can select the OS over here. So Amazon machine image is the OS image which we are taking, like Amazon Linux 2023 MI. Here we can select the instance type. Instance type is nothing but the CPUs and the RAM, where we can configure based on requirement. For practice purpose, we are taking T2 Micron, which is free tier eligible. This is a key pair. This is required to log into the server. Whenever we log in SSH to the server, this key pair is validated. I already have a key pair, so I'm going to use the previous one which I already downloaded. If you want, you can create over here. Click on create a new key pair. So you can give the name of the key pair and just click on create key pair. It will be downloaded into your local machine. So network, for now I'm going for default one. Default settings of network. Later we talk about the VPC and those, and we can talk about the networking settings. For now, let's let it be the default one. So this is the storage, where the default is 8 GB. So if you want, we can increase the size of the GB based on our requirement. So now I'm clicking on the launch instance. Now the instance is going to be created. So we can see the success pop up, where a successful initiated launch of instance. Click on instances. So we can see successfully it's running. This test check is initializing. There will be two by two checks. So it is created in US2 EOS East 2A. So now I'm going to log into the server. Just select over here, go to connect, click on EC2 instance connect, where we can see the IP address and the username. Just we can go click on connect over here. We have successfully connecting to the EC2 instance from EC2 connect, which is, yeah, we are inside the server. Let's do an sudo update. So it is up to date. This is a way how we can launch an Amazon Linux machine, that is in AWS EC2 instance. I mean, so thanks for watching. This is how we launch the AWS EC2 instance and how we connect to it through AWS console itself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.